In the world of innovation and sustainability, a groundbreaking new concept has emerged: Printcess, an electric, 3D printed boat that offers a futuristic approach to water transportation. This cutting-edge vessel, designed specifically for 2 passengers, is poised to transform how we think about personal watercraft. With its sleek design and eco-friendly powertrain, Printcess is set to make waves in both the boating and 3D printing industries. Printcess is the product of a collaboration between designers, engineers, and the revolutionary potential of 3D printing technology. Unlike traditional boats, which are built using conventional methods and materials, Printcess takes advantage of 3D printing to construct its entire hull. This means the boat is lighter, customizable, and more environmentally sustainable than anything we've seen before. The innovative production method opens up new possibilities for boat design, making it a truly one-of-a-kind vessel. The boat's design is not just about novelty, it's also about performance and practicality. Printcess is powered by electricity, offering a silent, emissions-free ride that is perfect for those looking to embrace eco-friendly water travel. The electric motor provides smooth acceleration and a quiet cruising experience, allowing you to glide across lakes, rivers, or even coastal waters with ease. Whether you're seeking a peaceful getaway or just want to enjoy nature from a fresh perspective, Printcess makes it possible to do so in a responsible way. At its core, Printcess is all about personalization. Since the boat is 3D printed, it allows for much more flexibility in design compared to traditional methods. This means owners can customize the appearance and features of the boat to match their unique tastes and preferences. The boat's aesthetic is sleek and modern, with clean lines and a futuristic appeal. However, one of the standout features is the innovative use of sustainable materials, ensuring that Printcess remains lightweight yet durable. As for the powertrain, the electric motor ensures a smooth and sustainable ride. The boat has an impressive battery life, giving it a decent range for leisurely cruises on various waterways. While specific range figures may vary based on the water conditions and weight load, the goal of Printcess is to make water travel as green as possible without sacrificing style or performance. The 3D printing technology used to build Printcess not only enables advanced customization, but it also reduces waste and the need for traditional manufacturing resources. In a world increasingly concerned with sustainability, Printcess provides a glimpse into the future of environmentally conscious boating. With growing concerns about pollution and carbon emissions, Printcess offers a solution that is both innovative and responsible. This revolutionary vessel is not just about performance and sustainability, it also brings a sense of luxury to the water. Designed to accommodate 2 passengers, Printcess is an ideal choice for intimate excursions or romantic getaways. It's equipped with comfortable seating, ergonomic design, and ample storage for small personal items. Whether you're looking for a tranquil day on the water or a fun adventure with a partner, Printcess offers the perfect platform. As the world continues to explore new ways to merge technology with sustainability, Printcess is a prime example of what's possible when innovative thinking meets practical design. While the boat may still be a niche product, it's clear that the future of watercraft is heading in a new direction. The ability to combine 3D printing with electric propulsion opens up exciting possibilities for the next generation of boats that are not only functional and beautiful but also contribute to a greener planet. In conclusion, the Printcess electric 3D printed boat represents the future of personal watercraft, blending advanced technology, sustainability, and design into a package that's perfect for the eco-conscious adventurer. With its customizable features, environmentally friendly electric motor, and innovative 3D printing technology, Printcess is truly a boat of the future. As interest in eco-friendly transportation continues to rise, this pioneering vessel could pave the way for more sustainable boating options in the years to come.